Hey there, this video is for you if you're a commercial cleaning company or any other local service-based business. And in this video I'm going to show you how to generate leads by sending 1,000 cold emails every single day. So this system is already proven to work. We've already helped ABS Cleaning to generate 30 to 40 commercial cleaning leads every month. We've also helped GBC Facility Services, and we've generated 50 to 80 commercial cleaning leads for them every month. We've also helped Delta's Maintenance to generate around 180 leads every month, or not every month, but until now. This system was also used for Skyline Building Services from California, Texas, and Washington. And we've helped them generate 78 leads until they started working with us in June. So yeah, in this video I would cover our system infrastructure to send 1,000 emails to your ideal prospects every day, which softwares to use, and how to ensure that your emails are landing in the main inbox instead of the spam inbox. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to choose your email provider. You can use both Outlook and Google Workspace. It just depends on the preference and as well as your target market. So if your target market is large enterprise, then Outlook may be better, and if it's smaller companies, then Google may be better. But usually in terms of local businesses, I recommend using both because Google to Google, if you're sending from Google to Google, then the deliverability is better in comparison of sending from Outlook to Google. It's a small difference, but it can make an impact in deliverability. So yeah, with an email sending tool, you have an option to match email providers, so you can send Google to Google and out to Outlook. And that's why I recommend for local businesses to use both Google and Outlook to improve your deliverability and get better results out of your email sending software. So yeah, this is basically what our system infrastructure looks like. So as you can see, we have two workspaces. One is Gmail and one is Outlook. So to build out the system, what you need to do is you need to create both workspaces, and under each workspace you need to insert multiple domains depending on what kind of volume you'd like to send by the number of domains. And under each domain you just insert 1 to 3 email inboxes. I just recommend 3 email inboxes right now. So in regards to buying the domains, you can go to a domain provider like GoDaddy or any other domain provider. You just come up with the domain ideas, buy 17 domains if you want to send around 1,000 emails per day. So you just, for example, you just buy domains that are similar to your main domain. So in this example, if my domain was leadblastcleaning.com, you'd just buy similar domains that are like leadblastjanitorial.com, leadblastcleaners.com, and you get the point. So once you have the domains, you have bought the domains, what you then need to do is to set up your infrastructure. And in terms of that, you have two options. The first option is to set everything up manually, but this takes more time and is usually more expensive, but also gets you better results. So what you need to do is you need to create one Google Workspace and one Outlook Workspace. You need to connect the domains to both of your workspaces. So half of the domains to your Google Workspace, half of the domains to your Outlook Workspace. And then what you need to do is to just create 3 inboxes per one domain. So yeah, after that, once you create the inboxes, what you need to do is go ahead out to your domain provider and your DNS settings. And for each domain, you need to configure your SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and custom domain tracking records. And what this does is it authenticates the accounts the email accounts and reduces the risk of emails landing in spam. So yeah, once you do that, what you want to do is you want to forward your lookalike domains to your main domain. So what this does is once prospects search you up from the email accounts that you are sending, they type in your domain, it redirects the sending domain to your main domain, which your business website is on. And yeah, this increases the trust. So yeah, like I said, you have two options. The second option is to use email resellers, and the pros of that is they are usually inboxes are usually cheaper, and it's also faster to set up. What you have to do right here is just provide the resellers with your domains, and then they set up the system for you basically. And yeah, you have two options here in regards to resellers, which are premiuminboxes.com, which mainly use Gmail inboxes, and the other option is coldSire.com, which is usually a bit more expensive, but you can set up Outlook inboxes there as well. So yeah, in regards to email sending software, once you have the email account set up, you can use two softwares for sending automatically, and the two softwares are smartlead.ai and the other one is Instantly AI. So the Smartlead AI option is usually a little bit more difficult to learn and is for more tech savvy people, and Instantly AI is usually easier to start. So right here, what you don't want to do is to use Apollo or MailChimp or any other software, because they are just not tailored to today's day and age to keep the deliverability high when sending. So yeah, I just recommend using those two options that I've outlined here. So in regards to email warmup, so basically when you have your email account set up, you have configured your domains, you have bought your domains, what you want to do then is to connect your email accounts to the email sending software, and what you then need to do is to enable the email warmup, which is key to great deliverability. The purpose of this is to basically mimic human behavior, which improves deliverability, and what the process looks like is it just exchanges the emails automatically between the email software sending users. So it creates a human touch in the first 14 days, and usually you can set up the reply rates, and what you want to do is set them up at 40%. So that basically what it does, it shows you like a human to the email service providers, and it doesn't blacklist your account. So yeah, the duration for this warm-up process is usually 2 to 3 weeks. You can start sending basically after 2 weeks, but yeah, it takes 14 days for the email accounts to warm up. What you don't want to do is to turn off warm-ups after you start sending cold email campaigns. And you don't want to do that because of the same reason as I said before. You just want to look like human to the email service providers. So I recommend starting to send slow. Begin with 5 to 10 cold emails per day per email account, and then after 7 days you can increase that number to 15 to 20 cold emails per day per email account. So if you have 50 email accounts, you can send 1,000 emails per day per whole infrastructure basically. So yeah, in this 14 days, what you can do is just prepare the copy, the leads, and set up the campaigns, and after the 14 days you can start sending immediately. So what you need to do in regards to avoid your emails from going to spam folders, you don't want to track your open rates and click rates, because those metrics are just inaccurate and tracking them hurts your deliverability. What you need to do instead is focus on tracking your reply rates, because this is just a better metric to track, and it doesn't harm your deliverability. Also, what you don't want to do is you don't want to send images or links in your emails, because this drastically increases chances of you going into spam. And this is because when you're sending images or links, you seem like a spammer, because usually that's what spammers were doing, just to get like people clicking on their links and then getting their information, or getting them into buying some scam things. And yeah, you just don't want to come off as a spammer. So then after that, what you also need to ensure is, after you write your email copy, you want to insert that copy into spam checker, and this just makes sure that you don't use spam words like money, pay now, or using any urgency. And you can do that with this email tool that's outlined right here. And you just insert the copy into it, and it tells you which words you need to replace. Also, what you need to do, because I recommend setting up Google and Microsoft accounts, so both. You need to turn on the match email sending providers, and this improves the deliverability as well. Also, right now it's really recommended to not send more than 20 emails per one email account. Just to be safe, it's even better to send around 10 emails per email account. So yeah, what you are probably going to experience 2 to 3 months after building out the system, you can experience a drop in results. So what you then need to do is check your deliverability again, and the signs of this happening is usually just lower reply rates and also fewer positive responses. So yeah, likely the cause of this is deliverability issues. And of course, if you haven't changed your copy and lead lists, and you get lower reply rates and fewer positive responses, it's just like your infrastructure is burned out. So what the solution is to just rebuild a new infrastructure with the same process that I just went through. And yeah, a tip or a great tip, what you can do as well, is to just keep more email accounts warming up in the background, from which you're not sending cold emails. And yeah, if your main infrastructure burns out, then you can just use those emails to start sending from, and you don't have to wait for 14 days to start sending the emails again. So this is really recommended as well. And yeah, in regards to building the system, you can build all of this by yourself. It just takes time, money, and also quite a lot of technical knowledge. But yeah, if this seems too complicated and you don't have 2 to 3 hours per day managing the system, worrying about deliverability, but would still like to get your offer in front of thousands of your ideal prospects every day, then we can basically set this up for you. So what you get if you decide to, if you want to set this up for you, you get 20 plus exclusive quote-ready commercial leads every month. You get us to build out the whole system for you. You don't have to worry about the deliverability, which is always changing. We find all of the companies and decision makers' contact details in your area. You get access to email copy scripts that we've already used for similar businesses to yours and are actually proven to work, so you don't need to figure that out on yourself. You also get access to the best local commercial cold email specialists in the world, and also you will probably save on around 50K per year or on SDR salary, who can send around 30 emails per day, and in comparison we can send 1,000 emails per day. So yeah, you can imagine what a return on investment that can make for you. But yeah, if you're interested in this, I welcome you to schedule a call with us on our website, which is linked in the description of this video. And yeah, see you there. Bye.